Welcome back. Today we're diving into Scandinavian winter decor, a style known for its warmth, simplicity, and cozy ambiance, perfect for transforming your home this season. Let's explore some easy ways to bring this calming, Nordic-inspired decor into your space. Start with a clean, neutral palette. Think soft whites, gentle grays, and natural, earthy tones. This light color scheme maximizes natural light and creates a bright, airy feel, perfect for those darker winter days. One of the secrets to a cozy Scandinavian winter look is layering textiles. Drape chunky knit blankets over sofas, add soft faux fur throws, and mix in textured pillows. These layers add warmth and make your home feel snug and inviting. Bring in natural wood accents like a light oak coffee table or wooden picture frames. Wood adds warmth and a rustic touch that contrasts beautifully with the neutral color palette. Woven baskets or natural fiber rugs also add texture and a grounded feel to the room. Lighting is key to creating that warm Scandinavian glow. Place candles in glass holders, add soft fairy lights, or use a couple of lanterns to create a gentle ambiance. This lighting mimics the calming effect of natural daylight and enhances the coziness of the space. Add life to your decor with simple greenery, like eucalyptus sprigs or small potted plants. Scandinavian decor often brings in nature, even during winter, to keep the space feeling fresh and vibrant. Pine branches or holly are perfect seasonal touches for the colder months. When it comes to accessories, think less is more. Scandinavian decor is all about simplicity, so choose a few timeless pieces like a ceramic vase or a couple of books. Keep your decor clean and uncluttered for that effortless Scandinavian look. Add comfort to your space with soft rugs and floor cushions. A plush rug under your coffee table or in your reading corner creates warmth from the ground up. Floor cushions also add a cozy touch and are perfect for relaxed gatherings. Create a little nook with a blanket, a candle, and a warm drink to bring in some hygge, the Danish concept of cozy contentment. This space can be your go-to for quiet moments, relaxation, and winter reading. And there you have it, easy and beautiful ways to bring Scandinavian winter decor into your home. Let us know in the comments which idea you're excited to try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more decor inspiration. Thanks for joining and enjoy creating your cozy minimalist winter retreat.